Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Żaneta, Polish girl living in Taiwan. We recently moved again, and before we give the place back to the landlady, I wanted to show it to you. It's one of the best and biggest apartments that I have seen in my 6 years living in Taiwan. Some friends ask me, why are we moving again? So the main reason is the rise in rental fees. Even though it was already expensive, we compare it with other places in the same area, and it's really high. The landlady still wanted to increase it. However, we found a much cheaper place in the neighboring building, with all new furniture that nobody had previously used. Also, the new landlady is super nice and friendly. There are many unrented empty apartments in the area, and more are still being built. Therefore, it's not a situation of super high demand for rental places, where you can increase prices all the time. There were no negotiations, either we accepted or moved out, and so we did. Later, the building manager tried to push us to rent other expensive apartments in the building. It's sales tactic, that's what they do. They attempt to find gullible people who would rent or buy something above the market price. They also often hide important information. So if you want to buy a house in Taiwan, be careful. We almost bought a house with a road in front of it that belonged to someone else, and they could potentially block it at any time. However, that probably wasn't an important detail they mentioned to potential buyers. Also, I would like to mention something that I have noticed during my life in Taiwan. It's my personal experience, and while some of you might be unhappy to hear it, I think most of Taiwanese people don't clean their homes regularly. When we rented this place, it was dirty. The toilet was yellow, the kitchen stove was dirty, and I spent the whole day cleaning it. This apartment now looks way cleaner than it did a year ago. This issue isn't limited to just this place. We have moved several times and visited many rental places, as well as houses for sale. In my experience, almost all of them were really untidy. I understand that sometimes people don't live inside, and dust will accumulate. But we have also visited homes where families were living, and even there, we were asked to take off our shoes. But the floors were full of dust, hair, and other things. Wearing white socks, they turned grey afterwards. I also don't understand why many people don't paint their walls or change furniture after like 30-40 years. Nobody seems to take care of their homes properly, but still ask for a lot of money in return. In contrast, going back to Poland in just 3 years, I noticed huge changes in some of my family's houses. Refreshed colors, renovations, and new furniture. Poland isn't as wealthy as Taiwan, but people take care of their property a lot more than they do here. What is your experience with Taiwanese houses? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!